Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable compact view in File Explorer on your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. To enable compact view in File Explorer, you have to open your File Explorer. Then you can see here 3 dots. You have to click on it. Now go to Options. Here you can see View. Click on it. Now turn on the button of Decrease Space Between Items, Compact View. You have to click on it. Now click on Apply, then OK. So this is how you can enable Compact View in File Explorer on your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.